Hey everybody, my name is Christine Yodsukar and we are here with Shutter Magazine. And this month in the magazine, I gave you guys a challenge called the 10K Challenge. And so basically what this is you go back to all of your wedding couples that did not get a wedding album from you and you do your best to get an amazing, beautiful, gorgeous wedding album into their hands. How do you do this? So I lay out all the steps in the magazine article, and in this video I want to dive deeper into the phone call portion of this because this is where I get the most questions. So make sure you go back and read that article so you can see all of the steps in the beginning, and then once you get to the phone call, come watch this video. So there are two purposes to this phone call. The first one is to reestablish your couple's connection to their wedding, because it may have been some time now from their wedding to when you were having this phone call with them, offering to create a wedding album for them. So we want to reestablish their connection to all of their emotions from their wedding. And the second purpose of this call is to quote them on your album pricing. Now, if you're a part of this 10K challenge, then you're probably moving into a new IPS process when it comes to your wedding albums. So this is all going to be new to you. It's also going to be new to them. So you want to share this new album pricing with them. So for the first part of this phone call, reestablishing their connection to the emotions of the wedding day, this is the fun part. You just get to ask them questions, talk about their wedding. You lived the wedding with them since you photographed it. So you want to start talking about what were their favorite moments of their wedding. What are the things that they still remember the most, that bring back the most amazing feelings for them? Anything that was fun that happened, that was funny that happened, that was crazy and epic. Talk about all of those things, but make sure that you're asking them questions so you can hear what was most important to them. This is important because these are the things that later you're going to make sure you put into their album design that you show them in the design consultation. The second part of this phone call, quoting them on your new album pricing, this is so important because under any situation, we never want people to come into a design consultation or ordering session not having any idea of what the pricing is. If they think they're coming in to spend $200 and then you quote them $4,000, that could be an issue for you and for them. So that's why we want to quote pricing on the phone. I use PPA guidelines for pricing all of my products, so you can check out their pricing guidelines as well to make sure that you're pricing in a profitable way for your studio. So one of the questions that I always get is, what questions are you asking the people on the phone? And so in most cases, I'm asking, what was most important to you? What brings back the most amazing memories for you? Those are the types of questions that I like to start with. And then I'll just say, tell me more. I want to hear more. Because really, it's about letting them go deeper into their emotions. And so then I can say, that is going to be the most beautiful spread in your wedding album. So we're constantly taking their emotions and connecting it to their wedding album. Oh, I can't wait to see that in your wedding album. So I'm saying that anytime that I see there's something really important to them, an important memory from their wedding. And then make sure you quote that album pricing to them, and then schedule a time to have their design consultation. And this is when you're going to show them the pre-design for the album that you have made for them. And if you can do this with 10 clients and have a $1,000 sale, you're going to hit your 10K for the 10K challenge. If you do it with 5 clients and do 2K sales for each, you're going to hit that 10K for the 10K challenge. So think about ways that you can be resourceful, different ways that you can make that 10K happen, and I hope you have the best May that you have ever had in your business. Thanks so much. Bye.